And now a Dharam Sansad in Haridwar has sparked a massive row just before election season after a video of Dharam Gurus making a clarion call for a Hindu nation has gone completely viral. Many virulent and hateful things have been said against other religions at this Dharam Sansad, but we are not going to play those out. The video also allegedly shows speakers preach violence against Muslims in this three-day assembly of religious leaders at Haridwar's Ved Niketan. The event was organized by Yati Narasimhanand, the religious leader who's been accused of inciting violence with his hate speeches in the past as well. During this event, Narasimhanand allegedly called for forming an all-Hindu country without madarsas and masjids. The organizers even made other religious leaders pledge to work on a plan to counter jihad and increase the Hindu population. Trinamool Congress leader and RTI activist Saket Gokhale and others have filed a complaint against the organizers of this Dharam Sansad. Many prominent members of civil society have come forward to express outrage, and it has also had an echo outside India. The complaint against this Dharam Sansad says that the Hindu Raksha Sena's Prabodhanand Giri, the BJP women's wing leader Udita Tyagi and BJP leader Ashwini Upadhyay, who is out on bail in a hate speech case, were among those who were present at this controversial Sansad.
यहाँ पर हर वक्ता ने भारत को हिंदू राष्ट्र बनाने की बात कही। हम लोगों ने इस धर्म संसद में एक बात रखी कि उत्तराखंड देवभूमि हिंदू धर्म का उद्गम स्थल है। अगर उद्गम स्थल को नहीं बचाया जा सकता तो भारत हिंदू राष्ट्र बनाना बड़ा मुश्किल होगा।
जो भी हिंदू सगन लड़के लड़ते हैं और उनको गैर हिंदू एफआईआर दर्ज करके फांसते हैं किसी भी केस में, उसे हम बचाने का पूरा प्रयास करेंगे। उनके परिवार के उनके साथ हम खड़े होंगे, क्योंकि आज तक उन बच्चों को कोई परिवार को हाथ देने के लिए, हाथ आशीर्वाद देने के लिए खड़ा नहीं हुआ। ये संगठन जो यति नरसिंहानंद जी का है, ये पूरा उनके साथ रहेगा।
And I want to go across to India today. Is Gaurav Sawant, who's tracking the fallout of this. Gaurav, no complaints have been filed, no FIRs have been filed just yet. A great deal of outrage. A Trinamool leader has, filed a case against this Dharam Sansad. Some very inflammatory talk. And many of the people who are at this Sansad, have a history of insightful speech as well. Gaurav, what are you hearing? Any action likely to be taken?
Shiv, the police appear to be hesitating at this stage. A complaint has been made now, and based on that complaint, the superintendent of police of Haridwar has said that they're monitoring the situation, they're monitoring the speeches and seeing what the outcome is going to be. So according to the Uttarakhand police, they are as of now studying the situation. But the kind of speeches that have been made, and not just by one person at this Dharam Sansad, but by multiple people at this Dharam Sansad, it incites violence, it incites hatred towards other Indians, and this does call for action to be taken, an investigation to be carried out, and legal action to be taken. Whether that penal or legal action is taken remains to be seen. What is extremely strange, Shiv, one, nothing said by the government either at the state or the centre, nothing said by the opposition either. In Uttar Pradesh specifically, whether it's the Samajwadi Party or the Congress Party or the, ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. And this shows just ahead of elections in Uttar Pradesh how everyone is being very cagey, but not our veterans. Shiv, you've had a former army chief, you've had a former navy chief, you've had several people who've come out and said India is already facing a lot of hostile situation along the LC, along the LAC, and we just cannot afford to have communal tension or communal violence in our country, within our country. So that 2.5 front, which actually is a worst nightmare, shouldn't actually happen. And that is why a spark neglected, Shiv, it could well burn the house and needs to be nipped in the bud.
It needs to be nipped in the bud. We are not here on India Today going to play out for you some of the very inflammatory things that were, stated from the stage of this so-called Dharam Sansad. They're very, very inflammatory. In election season, it appears that new rules, allow such things to happen. But we are going to continue to wait and see whether any action is taken. Some of the people here have a history of saying inflammatory things. We'll keep a watch on this. No matter which religion, the fact is India cannot be divided at this time. We've got other enemies to deal with. Thanks, Gaurav, for getting us the latest on that. We're taking a very quick break here.